Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset OPPO F19 Pro smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgotten their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it. Now release. Okay, now the volume rocker is to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can use the touch. You can see. Okay, now go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see wipe data, retain contacts, messages and photos, and format data. Okay, now go to format data and confirm, and you can see please enter verification code 5155. Enter it 5155, and you can see all user data will be reset. Now tap on format, and you can see wiping. Please wait, do not perform any other operations, and you can see wiped successfully. Now tap on OK. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO F19 Pro smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.